I'm in the studio. See my address is BlackBerry. What's the video? That's good. We just put this on there. Hold up. The clock's going out of time. Tick tock. My motherfucking fresh ring box. See me on the joint. I have on my Reebok. See me, I am rapping with a fucking beatbox. Can't see me. This is not Justin Bieber. But there's no hard that I made her touch a fever. Don't fucking break up. Do the clip and drag me more. Get the fuck off my dick. This is not gay. This is not okay. This is BA. What the fuck do I say? That shit was so gay. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Don't come up here and let me pull the trigger. Baby, your girl, she drives me crazy. I'm up on the joint and your girl thinks I'm shady. Girls call me Hades. Now rocker. Wanna see me? I am not Waka Flocka. Fucking around with grass. Leave you with a bullet in your head. I'm about to be done. Don't let me go get my gun. When I get my gun, all y'all niggas will run. I'll leave y'all in the bed and I'll be having fun. I'll come to your funeral. Shit on your grave, niggas right on the road. I'll got the fucking head. Okay, you're back. I can galaxy. Come down. You're good. Hold up. Okay, my swag is out of this fucking galaxy. Motion any bitch that wanna try to challenge me. Okay, yeah, got to do your swag. Gucci hat, Gucci bag. Tell me who mad, got me mad. Get up this swag, yeah, they get on me. Cause it's so free, but you can't see me, no, it ain't crack. Oh, that's it. Fuck that Justin Bieber shit. True shit. You know, fuck you, Justin Bieber. Hold on. That was really me though.